In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for project management, especially if you're a beginner. Asana is one of the most popular tools out there for organizing and managing projects, and it offers a range of views and features to fit different workflows and team preferences. So let's dive right in and see how you can get started with Asana. First, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, don't worry, you can click on Get Started or try for free to create your account. Once you're in, you'll be able to see your personalized dashboard. The next step is to create projects. Projects in Asana help you organize tasks and keep everything centralized. To start a project, you'll want to look for the plus button, typically located toward the top corner of the screen. This button allows you to create a new project. Upon clicking it, Asana will offer you different formats to choose from, such as list, board, calendar, or timeline. Select the one that best suits your team's workflow and preferences. After choosing your project format, it's crucial to give your project a clear and descriptive name. Adding a well-detailed description can also provide context for your team members, clarifying the project's purpose and goals. To further organize your project, you can add sections or columns. If you've chosen the list view, you'll be adding sections, whereas board view operates with columns. This step is particularly handy for segmenting tasks into different phases or categories of your project. Moving on, let's talk about adding and managing tasks within your project. Begin by creating tasks under the appropriate sections. Breaking down larger projects into smaller, actionable steps makes them less daunting and easier to manage. For each task, it's beneficial to set due dates. This helps keep your team on schedule and ensures smooth progress. You can assign tasks to specific team members, ensuring there's clear accountability for each task. For tasks that are more complex, consider creating subtasks. This allows you to further break down the task into smaller, manageable parts, improving clarity and efficiency. Don't forget to attach any necessary files and links. Uploading relevant documents or linking resources directly to a task can streamline collaboration and ensure everyone has the information they need. Collaboration is a key part of successful project management. Use Asana's comment feature to add notes, ask questions, or update your team about any changes. Employ the mention feature by tagging team members with an @art to draw their attention to specific tasks or updates. If you want to stay in the loop about a task's progress, click follow to receive notifications. Additionally, Asana allows you to create task dependencies, marking one task as dependent on the completion of another. This feature helps in managing workflows efficiently, ensuring tasks are done in the correct order, and there you have it. With these basics, you're well on your way to mastering Asana for all your project management needs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so dive in and start exploring all the features Asana has to offer. Happy organizing!